Hello students, today we start our next lesson of class 3rd. We start lesson number 11, lines and shapes. In this lesson we are going to learn about the lines and the shape. How many types of line and how many types of shapes. So first we know about the point. Point gives a position. Point gives a position, but point does not have length or thickness. Point की position तो होती है, but उसमें कोई भी length नहीं होती and thickness नहीं होती. So this is called as the point A. Okay, we represent the point by the capital letter like this. Point Y, point C, point B, point O, point X, point P and point A. So those are the points. So our next part is line. Lines. There are the 4 types of line: horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line and curved line. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. This is vertical line. Those are the slanting line, and fourth is the curved. Curved line is not straight, so that's why we called it curved line. Next is the line segment. The part of straight line between the 2 points is called as the line segment. 2 point के बीच का जो part होता है उसे हम line segment कहते हैं. So here are the 2 points A and B. Point A and B. Okay, we draw the line to join those points. So this is the line segment. See here also point A and point B. So line segment A. Our next part is lines and shapes. Lines and shape. We already learned about the lines. So in next part we discuss about the shapes. So closed shape. Closed shape means what? Closed shape means the shape which does not have any opening. देखो ये triangle है. In this triangle there is a no opening. So we called it the closed shape. In this shape there is a no any opening. So we called those are the closed shape. So next part is the flat shapes. These are the flat shapes. So first is the rectangle. Second is the square. Third is the triangle. Fourth is the circle. And fifth is the oval. So those are the flat shapes. First shape is the rectangle. Rectangle has the 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. The point which join the 2 sides with each other is called as the corner. See, this is the corner. Those are the long side and those are the short side. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So rectangle has the 4 sides and 4 corner and its opposite sides are equal. Rectangle में 4 sides होते हैं, 4 corners होते हैं and opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides जो है वो equal होते हैं. So next is the square. This is square. Square has the 4 sides. Square में भी 4 sides होती है. There are 4 sides in a square. और sides are equal. सारी जो sides होती है square की वो होती है equal and it has also the 4 corners. Square has also 4 corners. So this is the square. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners and all sides of square are equal. Next shape is the triangle. So this is triangle. Next shape is the triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle has the 3 sides and 3 corner. Triangle में भी 3 sides होती है और 3 corner होते हैं. Okay, so those are the sides and corners. So triangle has the 3 sides and 3 corner. This is a triangle. Our next shape is the circle and oval. Circle and oval have no sides and no corner. सर्कल और ओवल में कोई भी साइड नहीं होती है एज वेल एज कॉर्नर भी नहीं होता है. सो सर्कल एंड ओवल हैव नो साइड्स एंड नो कॉर्नर. दिस इज द सर्कल एंड ओवल. 4 flat shapes here. First is rectangle, second is square, third is triangle, fourth is circle, and fifth is oval. Our next part is the solid shape. Solid shape means the bricks, gas cylinders, blackboard, whiteboard, die are all the solid shapes. So first solid shape is cube. First solid shape is the cube. A dice is a cube. Dice जो है ना वो cube होता है. When you roll dice, you want to face with the 6 comes up. Solid shape have the flat or curved faces. Solid shape में क्या होते हैं? एक तो flat faces होते हैं या तो curved faces होते हैं. अब faces means क्या? Faces means होते हैं surfaces. ये जो flat surface होते हैं वो. Okay. A cube has the 6 flat faces. Cube में क्या होते हैं? 6 ये जो है ना ये faces होते हैं. Okay. So there are 6 faces in a cube and those are the corners. In cube there are the 8 corners and these are the edges. So 12 edges in a cube. A faces meet at the edges. A cube has 12 equal edges and the edges meet at the corner. A cube has the 8 corner. Okay, 6 faces होते हैं, 12 equal edges होती है and 8 corner होते हैं cube में. So this is the cube. Our next shape is the cuboid. Matchboxes, brick, rooms and cupboards are the cuboid. Like the cube, cuboid has the 6 flat faces. Cube जैसे ही cuboid में भी 6 flat faces होते हैं, 12 edges होती है, 8 corners होते हैं. But the only one change is that all the edges of cuboid are not equal. Cuboid में edges जो है वो equal नहीं होती like the cube. So matchbox is a cuboid. So this is cuboid. Our next shape is the cylinder. बेलन तो पता ही होगा and cell है ना, small cell. So this is the cylinder. Rolling pin and batteries are cylinder. A cylinder has one curved face. ये जो है ना ये curved face होता है. This is a curved face and 2 flat faces and these plain surfaces are called as the flat face. तो ऐसे इसमें 2 flat faces होते हैं और एक curved face होता है. Each flat face meets at the curved face along an edge. ये जो यहाँ पे होती है ना, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे curved face और flat faces meet होते हैं, so this is the edge. So cylinder has the 2 edges. 2 edges होती है इसमें. It has a no corner. कोई भी corner नहीं होता है cylinder में. So our next shape is the cone. Cone is look like the ice cream cone or birthday cap or tent. Cone has the curved faces that narrow at the corner. एक corner पे वो narrow हो जाता है. Curved face जो है वो एक corner पे narrow हो जाता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं corner. It also has the flat face which meet at the curved face along the edge. ये जो होती है यहाँ पे edge होती है. Curved face और flat face यहाँ पे meet होते हैं. So cone has the one curved face, one flat face, one edge and one corner. Okay, one corner होता है, one curved face होता है, one edge होती है और one flat face होता है. So this is the cone. So ये है cone. So our last shape is the sphere. Okay, so sphere is look like the cricket ball. Balls and marble are sphere. वो किस शेप के होते हैं? स्पीयर के. स्पीयर हैव जस्ट वन कट फेस, इसमें कोई भी एज नहीं होती, कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं होता, फ्लैट फेस नहीं होता. इट हैज द ओनली वन कर्ड फेस, पूरी तरह से गोल होता है, राउंडेड होता है. सो ये कर्ड फेस होता है, ओनली सिंगल कर्ड फेस. इजीली रोल होता है क्योंकि इसमें कोई एज नहीं होती, कोई कॉर्नर नहीं होता, कोई फ्लैट फेस नहीं होता. सो दिस इज द स्पीयर. स्पीयर, cricket ball is look like the spear. So those are the solid shapes. Solid shape: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So those are the solid shape. So those are solid shape. I hope you all understand about the flat shape and solid shape. Thank you.